Phase 3 separation lock confirmed. We are clear for the P-90 protein run.
Confirmed. Starch bypass holding steady.
A sophisticated suction mechanism slowly descends, drawing off the clear whey water without disturbing. The creamy white protein curd is systematically cycled through these tanks, undergoing repeated dilution.
The immense spray-drying tower dominates the factory. Inside, superheated air transforms the
Optical sensors continuously measure the droplet size distribution, ensuring consistent particle size for the finished protein powder.
The resulting chromatogram confirms a rich, balanced profile. We verify the 90% protein thread. Microbiological testing ensures consumer safety. Controlled samples are automatically diluted and plated onto
robotic applicators apply colorful labels with micron-level precision, followed by an industrial laser etching system that burns the unique lot number onto the base.
Demonstrating peak automated logistics efficiency, the robotic arm relentlessly stacks.
The integrated system quickly analyzes the P-90 isolate. The control panel confirms a sub 1% fat level, ensuring high purity.
The blending silo operating environment. Purified nitrogen gas is continuously purged into the headspace, preventing oxidation.
The dense phase pneumatic conveying system uses pulses of compressed air to gently move the
focusing on the high-efficiency hydrocyclone separation. The dense, pale yellow slurry spirals violently, utilizing sissons. The bright white starch slurry moves rapidly from one stage to the next, with fresh, purified water
The inline microwave sensor precisely measures the solids concentration, crucial for optimizing the vacuum filtration of the high-purity P-starch. Homogenation and storage of high-purity P-starch. The bright white powder is pneumatically conveyed and gently blended to ensure uniformity and purity.
The RVA measures the gelling and pasting properties. The sample is heated under controlled agitation.
The high-purity P-starch is transferred from the blending silo via an enclosed belt conveyor.
A mild acid or base solution is precisely metered into the starch slurry transfer line.
Massive ducts return spent air to the heating system for reuse, minimizing energy consumption. Temperature sensors confirm efficient heat recovery.
Confirming the consistency of the final grind is crucial for industrial applications.
The hydration is excellent, viscosity holding steady at 2,500 CPs.
Confirmed. The P-starch is performing exactly as expected.
The texture is superb. This high-purity P-starch provides the ideal creamy mouthfeel and stability for our clean label alternative.